my 95 Integra RS. This is how I got it. It came with the white front end already. It is the no sunroof model, no ABS. I believe from factory this come with no power steering, and I think there was an option for no AC as well, but this one, whoever had it before, they did the AC and power steering. So I was looking for an RS specifically for the longest time ever, but they were all beat up and fucking all messed up on the interior, missing a lot of stuff. And the reason why people want these models is because this is probably the closest thing you can get to for like a Type R, let's say it that way. And finally I came across this one. This one has a engine swap already. It's got a transmission as well. Yeah, I think it's matching transmission. It's JDM or Japanese GSR. It's the V18C. See, a lot of people confuses the swap. Oh, it's a V18C. Oh, it's a Type R. No, it's not a Type R. In Japan, the GSRs were stamped like that, V18C. Only thing is the internals, I think they're different, and it's got some goodies. Recently I did the exhaust system, so now I'm kinda running on like full bolt-ons. I know I'm missing like fuel. I'm missing a few things for the fuel system, like I think fuel rail. I have all that stuff ready, but I just haven't got the time to install everything because I have another motor that needs to be put together. But now I have two Integras, and this has been my daily for like a while now. So why not start working on this one and start fixing the details. Yeah, it's a little beat up. It needs attention on the body, but it's running, and it's taking me from point A to point B, which is all I need right now. And in California it's already rain season, so I'll take my time just to do it right. I'll take the time, do it right, and you guys will see some interesting progress pretty soon. So what I've done so far with the help of these guys, when I first got the car, the brakes were fucking terrible. They were shit. I drove the car from Sanger, I think. It's like 15 minutes or 20 minutes farther than Fresno, so it's down south. I drove it like that. I live in the Central Valley in California, Norco, and yeah, the car wasn't feeling that great when I drove it. So right now we've been fixing the little details. It brakes now. It has brakes. We changed the brake master cylinder. We did the clutch slave cylinder, stainless steel clutch line, and it's rated. What do you say?
Yeah, rated.
Rated steel. It has tires. I just put like some cheap tires for now. It already came with the Type R interior, but it was missing some parts to kind of complete it. So it's pretty much done on the interior now. I like it the way it is right now. I like it. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for for the RS. And future plans are, I have a lot of plans actually for it. I'm waiting right now on suspension parts. Most of the work that we're gonna do is suspension, because I have decided to start trucking this car. Why? Because it has a swap already. I also have a spare transmission. I might replace it later down the road. Brakes. You guys probably saw the big brake kit that I got during the Black Friday on the special. So big brake kit, transmission upgrade, maybe a clutch. Wheels. I was able to find the wheels that I like. You guys will see them soon. Tires. I got some tires ready for those wheels. Some Falcons. And yeah, waiting on suspension parts. Hopefully they get here soon. And I don't know. Just wait to see the progress.